Today I think we had a very great event here in Riga with good participation and team spirit in all aspects, I would say. Looks really nice to see the whole event. Yeah, very nice organized. Our Scania Top Team competition is a very, I would say, excellent tool to train up our service staff, not only technician. We have now here 2 teams from each country. I think it's a great interest to participate, and the older technician is taking the lead, and when we onboarding the newer technicians into the teams.
I'm very proud that Scania Top Team Baltic final has happened in Riga in 2022, and this is the greatest possibility for technicians to take part in this competition and to be present in this event that is on a quite high for them to show their skills. And they participated in 5 stations: theory station, engine station, electrical station, fuel station, and ski station. Of course, those stations were quite tough for the participants, but we are proud of them as they succeeded good. Today we didn't find only Scania Baltic's Top Team final winners, but we found out the teams that will participate in a European final in Bratislava this year. And we will know the team from each country who will take part in that competition.
I invite in all countries apprentices actually to join us here in Scania, because we are looking for new technicians.